My name is Toymeka Potts, and I am the Resident Services Director at Valencia Way Apartments in Jacksonville. I provide resident resources, programming, and developing new partnerships within the community to help our residents and to enrich the quality of their life.
Hi, my name is Marsha Griffin, and I am the Activities Director at Callaway Cove.
My role brings me a lot of joy, and in the fact that I'm able to assist the residents with becoming better. Not only with providing programs and resources and partnerships, but I also, with the role that I have, it helps me to see our residents grow as individuals and our children grow as individuals as well.
My residents, all of them, they bring me joy. I'm able to bond with them, love on them. I'm one that mama figure, sister figure, grandma figure, and they can come to me and openly speak and know that whatever they say to me is between them and I. I often tell them as long as I'm there, I live there with them, so I'm a part of them. I'm a part of the program they're at, the programs.
My name is Barbara Snow, and I've lived at Callaway Cove for 4 years. Just that they're so caring, that they really go over and beyond to show us residents that they care for us, that they are there for us to help us, whether it be, first thing in the morning, late at night, someone's always there to answer our call, especially our community director. Anytime you need her, she is there, and that goes on with a lot of the people that run the groups for us.
It is truly a blessing of how they are serving the community, how they are serving the residents, how they have the love for the residents, and it shows. Making the people feel comfortable, making it a home for the residents, and then in adding the services, giving them something to be able to empower themselves, giving them something to say, you know what, I can do this. I can be able to gain financial freedom. I can be able to get out in the community.
Participating with different activities that they have by hand is good for you, because you never know what it can do for you, that you can build up in your encouragement, that you can take other things from it and learn from those things.
Discipleship, outreach, and evangelism is the crux of our ministry, and we believe that you have to get out of the four walls. And so we want to make sure that, again, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And so our emphasis is to be amongst the people and to be where people are residing and where they're engaging, and engage with them so that we can show not only the love of Christ, but just humanity. And just be a part of their lives and let them know that they're not going through life by themselves.
I'd just like to add that as my role as activity director, I think is an integral part of being there at Millennia, at the community center, being able to provide things for the residents and for them to have their input. I just love being able to share with them, and just on joyous occasions, being able to share that with them. So I think this is really a good program for them, and it gives them an outlook and a different outlook on life, that people really care for them.